Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Mercedes Benz M-Class. So from any screen, if we go to telephone, so telephone's there, go to telephone, and then we use this to move it around. And you've got at the bottom telephone and connect device. If I go down to telephone there and click on telephone, you'll see there you've got import contacts, delete contacts, hide data. We don't want. We need connect device. Even though we're deleting it, we need connect device. So turn to connect device, onto there, select, you'll see Barry's iPhone. If I go down to and highlight my iPhone, you'll also see there it brings up another little sign at another icon at the side. So if I knock this selector over towards me, so to the quarter past position over there, Barry's iPhone, click on it, and then it brings up the next menu, deauthorize. I want to deauthorize it. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? No, I've just done all that for the good of my health. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Mercedes Benz M-Class. The first thing we do, make sure Bluetooth is on. It is green up there. And then we're going to be watching out at the bottom. We go over here, we click telephone. There's nothing connected at the moment, so that's the screen that comes up. And at the bottom you've got connect device. It's not that, it's nothing on here, it's this. So with the selector, knock it down to the bottom line, connect device, click in the center, search for phones, search via telephone. We want to search for phone. That should generate a random pin. And after doing all that again, you've just asked it to search for phone, you've got to tell it to start the search. There's at least one step in there that wasn't needed. So there you go, it's searching for a phone. We're watching out here, watching out on the screen. It's found my phone there. So that's highlighted, click on it. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Does the passkey match? Yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Connecting Bluetooth. Authorization successful. So that's paired. If I look, that's another sign it's paired. If I look through here, look, MB Bluetooth connected. That's how you pair a mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Mercedes Benz M-Class. So once you've paired your mobile, all you have to do now is, and I say all, sometimes it gets a bit complicated, so we'll see if this works out. So on to music. So there, if I click at the bottom there, it's not showing the Mercedes Benz as an option. So it has got complicated. To be fair, that's what I wanted it to do. Otherwise, if you find yourself in the same situation, you won't be able to remedy it. So we're on the phone. That's the menu at the moment. Navi, audio, telephone. We want audio. You'll see telephone there. There's an arrow by the side of it, meaning there's more stuff to select. Audio, there isn't. So we go up there. We go to audio. Still nothing to select. Click on audio. Now you've got an arrow. So that's giving you more stuff. And it's got no Bluetooth audio device connected. And Bluetooth audio there. If you click on there, Bluetooth audio device list. And now we can select the phone. So onto Barry's iPhone, select. There you go, it showed up here. It's playing on the radio. It's saying Bluetooth device paused. So we'll click play there, and then we'll turn it up here. That's it. That's how you stream audio. And so long as you've got it set like this, it will play your Amazon Prime Music, your Apple iTunes, your Spotify, the soundtrack of a YouTube video, the soundtrack of a TikTok video. The sound will all come through the speakers. So that's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2012 Mercedes Benz M-Class. So any screen, we go over to Navi, click on Navi. Not a whole lot to see there. If I click the center of this, you've then got the menu comes up and you've got destination in the corner. If it's not there, you just turn this. So click on destination, address entry, from memory, from last destinations, from points of interest. So we're going for address entry this time. Map, country, town, street. We want postcode, that's the easiest. So we turn this, actually I can just knock it down. So if I knock that towards me, brings it down onto the bottom menu, turn it right to on postcode, click the center, and then here we go, we've got the alphabet. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Preston, PR 5 4, and then, oh gosh, not doing very well here, EA. PR5 4EA. Again, even though you've just typed it in, you have to select it. Continue. Now start.
Make a U-turn if possible. You have reached your destination.
That's it. I was going to say it's as easy as that, but there's way too many steps. Having said that, you only need it once in a while, and if you're ever stuck, I mean, most people use the phone these days, but if you're ever stuck, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.